Hi guys, it's Wednesday, it's lunchtime for me, so I slipped away from the desk so I could come out here and do some deadheading. See the winds are picking up, it's going to be raining soon. I won't be able to move my plants around because I don't have that kind of time, nor do I know what I want to do with them yet. But I do want to get the flowers deadheaded so that way the winds and the rain, it doesn't settle into the dirt and then germinate and flower next year. Can't do that after all my work. So watch me deadhead. We'll see you in a minute. So that's it. That's the fun when you have a tiny garden. It doesn't take you very long to deadhead. But what I'll do, since I'm out here, it's not raining yet and it's actually quite beautiful. Can you see the pretty blue skies? Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous out here and I love the wind. But let me show you what I have going on here. Hold on a second. Here's just a quick review for you. Here are my little hostas. You see them? Oh, the leaves are kind of hiding them there, but they're doing okay. Doing good there. This is the purple shiso I've talked about in my last video or two. I don't know if that's the full size or not, but I know I do not like that in the front like that. So what I'm thinking about doing is placing it in between those two cone flowers in that spot there. You know, same thing on this side. This is how big it's gotten. Whoops, let me back up there. And I'm thinking about putting it right there. So that's where I had the Mexican petunia there and over there. So that's my plan. I don't know, anything could happen. But these are my autumn joys. They're starting to get little flowers on them, but you know, they're baby plants, so we don't know. These are the purple hearts. I don't know how tall they stand, but they're falling over now. So it's really going to be interesting next year to see what these things do with a full year in the ground. This autumn joy here is actually doing very nice considering, you know, there's like a really pretty view of it. And this one, here's a little baby one. So I have two of these. As you'll see, those are the variegated ones. And then those two are solid leaf. I don't know what these do. I don't know what that's going to do. And then these are my other little hostas here. You see that guy, this guy. And then here's the daylily collection with the Mexican petunias standing tall back there. All right, guys, so that's all I got today. Just a quick 10 minutes outside, a little quick tour of what's happening here. I can't wait for it to rain. We've had droughts, not as severe as everywhere else, but it's been a dry summer here. And all my plants feel very thirsty, so I can't wait to see it turn wet and saturated with the rain. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon, guys. Toodles!